How's it taste?
Like North Carolina pure water.
You got this.
Oh hey, what's going on?
How'd you get this room, Greyhound?
Well, I came in early. I said, I know you know check-in time, a little early for check-in time. But we got one room up on the third floor. I said, I'll take it. I don't care what it is. Just give it to me.
The honeymoon suite. Please do not use the heart-shaped cup.
In case any hikers come in here.
It should say, especially nasty, dirty hikers. You gonna eat all those wings?
Most definitely. Most definitely.
You gonna pack them in your backpack?
People do it all the time.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah.
Well, now we know how to sneak.
That was crazy, yo.
cares was gone a long time ago. A long time ago.
Welcome to the What did you make?
Cliff Bar, chocolate chip, peanut butter, and honey. Nothing but pure hiker protein.
Alright, so what are we making here?
We are making hiker pizza. This is a new level of hungry. Trying this out. Got some pepperonis here. We got some shredded cheese.
Alright, let's do it.
Shit is gonna be better than Chef Boyardee. With that pepperoni. You gotta have a pretty good bit of pepperonis. As you can see, the pepperonis were based on the paste. Now we're fixing to add some cheese. Look at that. This is better than a Lunchable.
Next.
Oh, we also have bacon bits to put on there. Man, I want you to look at that. That's a little slice of heaven right there. I reckon so.
Okay.
The best part, who don't love bacon? I love bacon. Out here in the woods, bacon is 10 times better too. By the way, we're gonna have to sleep with our food bags tonight, and if a bear gets in this cage, we're all gonna be mauled. So if this is the last video, that's been mate. I love all y'all, and I wish y'all could see all my nice hiker eating fringes we have.
Alright, I think it's done.
Oh yeah, it's complete.
Alright,
Bam.
hiker pizza is complete.